You can keep your car running for hundreds of thousands of miles if you give it the right care. Here are some tips to keep your car running strong. Keeping your car clean is more than just aesthetics. Exterior cleaning can help reduce corrosion, and interior cleaning can help protect your upholstery and trim from wear and tear. And if you can, store your car in a garage so it's protected from the sun and the weather. With a car, rust is your enemy, and bodywork is not cheap. Fix any rusting you see as soon as possible before it starts spreading. And if you live in a colder climate, consider using a rust protector product to combat all that road salt. Bruh, all the systems in your car work together to make it run. So if one system is having problems, it can start negatively affecting everything else. The cooling system, transmission, suspension, alignment, and brakes are all critical parts of your car. Take extra care of them and do not wait on maintenance if it's needed. I think this one's pretty obvious, but when it's time to replace some component, don't choose the replacement based on price alone. High quality parts will likely last longer, so save yourself the trouble. If you made it this far, you'd probably be interested in part 1, so check it out on our profile.